My name is Sparrow Smith, and I teach women's basic carpentry at Wild Abundance. I've always loved making things, all kinds of different things, and when I had an opportunity to take some carpentry classes, I was able to jump on it, and I'm so glad I did. I love a driver. I love a driver. I love being able to put screws in and pull them out, and it's just, you can just do so much with it. And they're very accessible tools, but they also have some tips and tricks that definitely make them easier to use, and they take some practice, but I just really love everything you can do with them. The most challenging and interesting build I've ever worked on was building my own house, which I just completed like just a few months ago. So a long project and a big one.